Roughly 8 hours later, we have made it to the hotel that we're staying at. The dilemma is the town that we stopped at supposedly has some sort of a coaches conference or something, so all these hotels are booked, and we found one of the only ones that has availability, in which obviously because of the conference and it's all sold out pretty much, parking lot is full. And so all these spots are filled and only spots available are back there. The real big problem is we can't make this turn right here because of these cars. I don't know why they couldn't park in parking spots. So now we got to figure out different ways to get there. Only other problem is over that way there's also cars parked on the side of the road just like that. So this is gonna be real fun.
Back as far as I can.
The Gooseneck Massacre.
You're gonna be good. You might have to pull forward, but you push. No.
Small parking lot props.
Turn to the right, turn to the right, turn to the right.
We're doing this because we can't make a full loop.
Alright, yeah. Alright, just keep tasting. Keep tasting.
Good thing these guys are good at driving goosenecks or maneuvering trailers. Because I'd be here all day.
Alright, you got to pull forward some, bro. Alright.
Parked. Took us forever. Very nerve-wracking. Now, what in the world are we doing at 1 o'clock in the morning? Mondo, what are we doing?
Securing the package.
Mondo has these 26 by 16 brand new KG ones on Theories.
Somebody wants them.
They're for sale. Anything's for sale, you know. But
Never been used.
he wants to put them on for the show, but he had to use his Bubba setup to tow Alex's truck. Obviously, don't want to leave them out there because somebody could steal them, because this is like 10 grand right there, right?
About 8.
About 8. Yeah, so we'll round it up to 10 grand.
All right, 10.
10 grand. So that's about 10 G's right there.
I
So,
already saw some hate comments on Devin's video saying, "Oh, it don't weigh that much."
oh yeah, it ain't no 10 G's.
Neither is your girlfriend. She don't weigh that much either.
But does she?
She does.
She does.
No, it's gonna be fun getting out.
If those cars are gone,
If that car's not gone, you ain't getting out.
I'm
If it's gone, you'll be fine.
If those cars aren't gone, we'll be like, hey, can you call whoever's in room?
Or we'll pick up the cars.
How do we know what room it is?
Or
That's the
we're gonna
front.
have to back it
The
up.
front shouldn't-
Or we just
Yeah,
hit
the
those cars.
register.
Let the train horns rip until somebody comes out.
Right?
Talk about ghetto fabulous right here.
They see me rolling.
She got that sweet juice, Minute Maid, summer vibe, that lemonade. Take a sip, blowing purple clouds, taste like lemon haze. Conversations back and forth like damn, we could go on for days. Looking back at it like damn, she bad when she walk away.
What I call a last minute crunch. We're doing this in the parking lot at the at&t Stadium. Holy, dude, look at the size difference between the 40s and the 35s. So Mondo towed Alex's truck here, obviously safely on with the Bubba setup. And now Brandon over here is swapping out his wheels to his show wheels to show off these brand new KG1s and the Fury tires. Stock 16 wides. That's ridiculous.
Don't get me wrong, they all say I'm way too young. Baby, I'm just ignorant. I won't find nobody like you on some real shit.
Day one, we are back at the stadium. Currently have no idea where we're supposed to go, so just cruising around and figuring out where we are supposed to go to get enter to our booth spots. Yo.
Hey, y'all meeting him out here or what?
That we don't know. Just parked at the hostel booth, found something unfortunate. I think we hit a tree branch on the way, either while we were parking or something, because there's a streak of scratch all down the side of my truck, which I'm pretty sure it can get polished out. But when we do that, it's also going to be an opportunity for me to just kind of recoat it with graphene coating or ceramic coating, whichever one we decide to do. But yeah, it's just kind of a bummer because I didn't expect it to have a big scratch, and now it does. So now it's going to kind of like bother me for the rest of the trip, but we'll fix it when we get home. Man, talk about a crunch. Putting the decals on at the booth. Still got to do the whole back wall, huh? And the hostel on the other side. And it's only 9 o'clock and it's hot as balls in Texas. Wow, it's only 84 degrees. This is 84. It's supposed to be 100 today, so
Concrete jungle, baby.
man, not looking forward to this. We need more breeze, we need more air. Now we're gonna put the most important decal. Oh yeah.
The windshield back then, they didn't put the screws in it.
Dude, where's yours?
Man,
Where's
don't
Matt
ask me
Matt's?
about that. Don't ask me about that.
My wife didn't let me bring it. Lisa, can I bring it?
I don't know why, man. Like, I love my wife, but like, I don't know why she was like so against bringing it to this show. Like, and he loves being in it, so
Yeah.
like, it gives him something to do.
Damn, man.
Now he's gonna be bored. You know what? Screw it. Round up the troops. I'm going home to get it. I'll be back tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm staying here and I ain't making that ride again.
You gotta be in charge from now on, bro.
I'm telling you, man. I thought I wore the pants in this family. Apparently not.
Oh, no, I don't. I'm outnumbered.
You're out, yeah, that's right. You got a lot of females in your house. This one's actually like lifted. I like it. We just gotta figure out how they did it.
He already told me.
Oh, he already. Oh, nice. Okay.
You see, he
Look at the
he
wheels.
took the factory bracket and he extended it and he re-welded it.
Okay, that was it.
And
Oh,
then I'm
hey,
about to take some out.
hey, does that mean we're gonna go lift
You
the?
already know. Now I just gotta figure out how to get the wheels and tires on.
All right. Here you go. I'll get you a deep.
These are like soft rubber.
Oh, that.
I gotta figure out where they got those from. And then
Alright.
this is like a,
Oh, that is like rubber.
it's like a cake pan.
Yeah. Time to upgrade little Mats.
He don't know it yet.
You don't know it yet? Hey, make him come out in the garage and turn some wrenches.
I know, right? Look, I'm about to take all the pictures right now.
Show him what a hard work is about. I like it. I'm here with Georgia. Rhino, you're missing out, bro.
You're missing out. What's up, bro? Why aren't you here?
that's gonna look good.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, this build is pretty much never ending.
Nope.
I mean, we're at the show and we don't even get to relax.
Nope, still got more work to do, man.
I mean, Matt spent all morning doing the decals and whatnot. Now we're doing a live install at the show, which is pretty cool. Not too many people get the opportunity to do that.
Brand new clips, they always tight.
Getting down in action. Oh, let me move that grill. I'm not gonna lie, these F250s and 350s are really growing on me. I could actually see myself in one of these. Oh, this is a 450 obviously, but still, like the body style, I dig it actually. It looks really good. They did a really good job on this truck. I like the wheels, all the billet inserts, or the plates. And look at that. Dirt Logic steering stabilizer. That's gotta be a lot of money, and also probably works really well. All right, back to our live install.
It's hot, bro.
Oh, I know. My phone keeps overheating. 98 degrees, and that's in the shade, so.
Already, we are here.
All right.
Live at the Enzo booth at Summer Trucking Nationals. Going to get hooked up with some Enzo.
All right.
Out with the old, in with the new.
Our Frankenstein headlight?
Yeah, we spent a lot of hours on these headlights.
We did.
A lot of hours. Come on out. It's the bumper.
It's the bumper. This side's a lot lower though, I noticed.
Is it?
Yeah. I guess we're gonna do at least one Enzo headlight today. It is hot as balls. I'm not really sure why we offer to do a live install here, because I am cooking. Matt's cooking too. Tuck those in for now.
Are these aimed pretty well from the factory?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool. Note to all the viewers out there.
Aimed pretty good from the factory?
Aimed pretty good from the factory.
All right, well, our truck's not factory, so.
Hey, but speaking of factories, we saw the GM assembly plant on the way here today.
We did.
Literally right across the street.
We're gonna maybe pick up some extra parts. Watch out for that. It was hitting the wrap. It was hitting the wrap. We can't mess up the wrap
Lisa
again.
would kill me.
Again.
Right?
And she'll bring you back alive and then kill you again.
Right. She already murked me once. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go.
Good.
Let me get this little clip out the way. There we go. Boom. Put the bottom end in first. There you go.
Alright. Live install from Summer Trucking National.
Alright, now go in. Now go in.
That's what she said.
Oh yeah, we do need to do that. We would have got it all the way in and been like, what's wrong with it? That's what she said! I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no electricity going through it. Got no voltage. Yeah. Should push all the way in now. Uno. Dos.
Do these have like startup sequence or anything like that? Yeah, we did not know if there's a startup sequence, but we're about to find out. Nothing. Are they on? Oh, okay. No startup sequence. I guess we can do that another time if you don't mind driving home with halogen bulbs. Okay. Yeah. It's not like we're gonna be doing a lot of night driving anyway. Last thing. Man, I can't wait to go home and take a nap. good question.
That's a lot of holes.
That really is a lot of holes. But then again, this is a first gen, so they're not that heavy. But then again, it's still a frame.
I ain't gonna be driving every day off-road with it.
True. That is insane. Tweedy's tires, like all their builds are frame-off builds.
Yeah.
And they make it look easy.
When you think about it, is there a lot of old trucks? Or they do newer ones too?
They do newer ones too.
That's an older truck, yeah, frame off would be easier.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not easy, but all the wiring harnesses are not as much.
That's true.
Like that OBS right there, I'd love to do something like that.
You got one.
I wouldn't do it to it.
You wouldn't do it too? Just leave it stock for that one?
Accelerator.
What is it?
It's the accelerator position sensor. I tried to. Where's my code reader?
I had to rechange my whole, do my whole pedal configuration.
Well, it's a good thing to start it back up.
Does anyone have a code reader that I can clear the code with?
In fact, Matt does.
Does the Easy Link work?
Matt, you have your CTS3.
Yeah, will that work?
That's all I need is a code reader. Clear.
The Easy Link will work too.
Hey, which one of y'all ordered an Uber? No one? Alright.
Nothing to see here.
Hey, you video me, I'm videoing.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Busted.